Mr. Jeff Bigler, ladies and gentlemen, with our national anthem. We're just about ready to get going. We're looking at the track. Looks pretty flat.
Number 1 in black. The tractor will come to the track. He will back up to the sled. A sled helper will then hook that tractor to the weight sled. Each of these tractors has to have a specialized hitch on the back. The hitch has going to be identical to everybody else's hitch, and they will all be connected to the weight sled by a kill switch wire. The kill switch wire is necessary in the event that the tractor were to break loose and start flying down the track for whatever reason. The kill switch wire will then shut the engine off, become a pitch black color, and when that happens, the sled tractor will be underway to pump the clutch and set it up. Our fish on the starting line, Mr. Dick Love from Collinsville, Pennsylvania. Here we go, the storm coming up. New Holland from down in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Shane Scott on the controls of this one. Mr. Scott is relatively new with this tractor. Black and blue. Now it looks like that tractor has been on fire. At the top of it looks like it's been all charred with a fire. That's exactly the paint job he wanted on. He did not want it the fancy paint job. He wanted it to look more of an antique. And that's exactly the look he got out of it. From Mike Wheatland. Mr. Wheatland is a multiple winner on the USA East Circuit in 2024. And he will host his own pool next weekend down in Chester Springs, Pennsylvania, the Wheatlands Oktoberfest, where most of these tractors will be heading for next Friday and Saturday nights. So here we go. John Newman, up. bring green-blooded out onto the track. So this is going to be green-blooded from over here in Milton, Pennsylvania. Brad Creamer will do the drive, a John Deere 6030 called green-blooded. This is green-blooded. This will be Smokey Smith now coming back to the track. Remember, he pulled his own tractor, now he pulls his brother's tractor. This one is called Faster Yet. He has the lead right now with his own tractor, fast forward. Now he looks back with his brother's tractor, owned by Mark Smith. This is Faster Yet. Here we go. Smokey Smith. Faster Yet. On 364. Oh yes, he did. He just beat himself. He's at 377. His brother will be very happy to get the word. Now that is called brotherly love. So Smokey Smith is now first and second with those national level tractors. And this will be elbow deep. must be. Not mean the pull is over. It merely means that at the present time, the track is not in pullable surface, so pulling has been suspended. And I would say that we will have a rather significant delay in the action here at Bloomsburg. So if you want to give yourself a bite to eat, head for the restroom. You'll have to get wet to do it, I suppose. But pulling is suspended, and with the amount of rain that's coming down right now, I would say that before we can go back to pulling, we're going to have to turn the track over. So there will be a rather lengthy delay going here at the Bloomsburg Fair. We'll try to keep you appraised of what's going on. We will be back with you as soon as we have any new information.